What is up, everybody? We are here at Freeway Lakes, back in the Yak for the second time. I'm taking it out. Let's try and sit down real quick, give you guys a little bit of rundown of what we're going to be doing today. So I'm out here with one of my buddies, trying to get in some largemouth. I wasn't expecting the water to be as murky as it is, but I think we'll make it work. I got a lot of scent, got all my chatterbaits, spinner baits, anything that's going to make some noise in the water. So we'll see what happens. I think we can make it work. We're gonna shoot to the back here in a little bit. We're just checking out the front right now. Look at that. Beautiful freaking day. Look at that. We got out here a little later than we wanted to, but I think it should be good. It's warming up now. Hopefully the bass want to bite. Let's see what happens, guys. Hopefully we can get in some fish. Wish me luck. Not even a crappie? A bluegill? Like, I'm just going after the big ones. Right? Got one, bro. Got it right there. A little dinker, dude. Right? Shoot.
That's awesome.
Right, it's one. It's something. First fish of the day, guys. It's a little itty bitty guy. Let's let him go. Oh yeah, man.
Take one down, ready to go.
Right? That's just the first one of the day. Hopefully. Should have kissed it for good luck.
But you know what they say, man.
Oh my gosh. Just literally went to go cast my grub and I lost it. Oh my dude, I just lost another one. Dude, oh my gosh. On the spinnerbait, bro. That was a chunker, dude. That one was a chunker. There we go. Got a decent one. There we go. There we go. Second one of the day, guys. Not too bad of another one. Look at that. Another little guy. Heck yeah. They're getting bigger. They are getting bigger. Yeah. Boop. Got one. There we go. That's a good one. That's a chunker. There we go. There's another one. Right off the bank right there, guys. Right off that tree. Heck yeah. Third one of the day. Pretty nice little chunker. Could do that all day. Heck yeah. I think we found something here, guys. I think we found what they're slamming here. Oh my gosh. There was an eagle that just, I don't even know if you guys seen that. There was an eagle that just went down and swooped a fish right in front of me. That was insane. I don't even know what he got, but it literally just got a fish. That's crazy. All right. Well, we are to the second part of Freeway Lakes. It's like everybody shoots to the back instantly. There's a person that I just seen show up and literally just shot straight to the back. I'm kind of taking my time, just going around everywhere. There must be something about the back that I don't know. It's gotta be. Just had one pop up right there. Let's see, come on. Oh, come on, I know you just took that, come on. What a stinker, man. All right, guys, we made it to the back. Don't have much battery left, but we're gonna try and see what we can do. I think we can make it work with what we got. Should be fine. Ivan. No, I switched up to the hula grub. It's Gary Yamamoto double tail hula grub. I'll show you. I'll show you. I'll go over there right now.
Oh, but on the speaker?
No, just on top. Heck yeah, biggest bass of the day finally. Woo! Dude, I just barely started twitching that. Just barely.
That's awesome, dude.
Oh my gosh. Heck yeah. Let's let it go. Bam. All right, guys. Well, I just caught one off of this Gary Yamamoto hula grub, but I'm down to my last one. So I decided to throw on a frog and see if I can get that. It looks like they're kind of hitting the top water right off of this algae. So we'll see. I'm gonna try the frog for a little bit. If nothing with the frog, I'll probably just use that last little hula grub that I got. Sad, but I gotta do it. Let's try the frog. There we go. There we go. Another little squeaker. And trying to get out of these trees real quick. This little guy. Can't believe he hit that. Try to get a little further out. Let that little guy go real quick. Not feel like getting stuck in those branches with my poles. Little guy just literally came off right off the edge over there. Not bad. Take squeakers all day. Well, we have another battery, 100%. Need to do some more fishing back here and get some more footage for you guys. Let's try to see what we could do. I think it's gonna be pretty good back here. I've already got two. One of my biggest fish came from this third and final lake in the back here. So we're gonna try to dissect this place as much as we can. Hopefully we'll get some more. There is another spot right across the other side that has some of that like green algae kind of stuff that those bass were hiding out when we first got here, and where I first cast and slammed into that bigger one right here in this third spot. So we're gonna check it out. We're gonna go all the way around this back section and then we'll meet up at the front again. See what happens. Hopefully we can get in some more fish before this battery dies. Well guys, it has been a grind out here. We're all the way in the back. and the third lake, and two fish out of here so far. A little dinker and the biggest one of the day, but it's pretty slow back here. We're gonna go a little bit further. I highly doubt my battery is gonna make it any more than what it is right now. I have probably enough little bit of time to tell you guys a little bit of an update what's going on. If I can, I will keep searching through my batteries and see if I have one that has a little bit more battery in it. I highly doubt it, but well guys, I got cut off there. My battery died. I did manage to find one. I think this one's got like 16% of battery. So like I said, if I can't get anything on footage, then I am gonna take pictures and I'll add it to the video. If not, guys, we did pretty good today. I think we got like 5 or 6 fish, so not a bad day, especially for being my first time actually coming here all the way to the back. Usually I fish the front, so not too bad. Pretty awesome. But with that being said, guys, we're gonna be out of here shortly, so until then, guys, tight lines. God, oh man, I almost lost my freaking pole. Jeez. Oh, that's a chunker. That is a chunker. I'm gonna.
Hey, bro. Heck yeah.
Oh gosh, dude. Just let it go. Chunk is gone, dude.